I know my brother didn't get me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? This gorga day? I literally sound like, oh my gosh, I sound like the guy in the Goonies, the sloth. I sound like him. Anyway, today's video, guys, I'm so stoked because I'm going to be filming a unboxing video. But it's not just any unboxing video. It is literally Nick, my baby brother, well, the middle brother. I gave him $500 and I said, make me a mystery box. I obviously have this like series going on my channel where I pay fans to do mystery boxes for me, but I figured I would pay my actual blood and see what they created for me.
I'm scared.
And so I'm very, very excited and very nervous. I don't know what's in the box. I have no idea. Look at this. He didn't even bother to seal it. Didn't even bother to seal it. Okay, and it's a Home Depot box. Nick, you have some explaining to do, buddy. By the way, a portion of today's video is actually sponsored by Customizable Beauty. And I'm so excited to show you guys what their new products are. Like, I'm literally dying. It's skincare, but it's like customizable skincare. Function of MannyMua. Girl!
I'm excited.
I'm gonna open half the items in the box, show you guys the Function of Beauty goodies, because you guys are gonna be shook. And then I will get back to the rest of the video. So that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like today's video, if you guys like unboxings, if you guys like the gays, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But yeah, let's go and get into this unboxing. And I'm nervous. The nerves. Imagine Nick just bought me $100 worth of stuff and took $400. Could you guys imagine? There better be $500 worth of stuff in here. Nicholas, my straight single brother. So first things first, we're gonna start off. Okay, this is actually making me giggle because the wrapping, the fuck was that? There was glitter. Glitter came out, I swear it did. The wrapping is actually my Lunar Beauty brand's wrapping. I think he asked my mom to bring some wrapping. This is literally our tissue paper. It has like our LB emblem on it. Literally dying with our little LB stickers, our Lunar Beauty stickers. That's so cute. A little gay bow. We love a gay bow. My poor assistant is gonna have to clean up these stars and it's just gonna be haunting. So, first things first. Stop! He got me a water. This is a water bending mat. I look like I have no body. Holy crap. This is like for your shower. A little bath mat, but it's a water bending bath. This is the Water Tribe emblem. If you guys know anything about me, it's that I'm obsessed with anime and cartoons and things like that. Not that Avatar's an anime, it's like a cartoon, but I give it the anime pass. This is so freaking cool. Nick knows. Nick knows that water bending is my favorite. It's the most OP. Like literally you get to do blood bending, water bending, ice bending, steam bending. Girl. I would be a waterbender, 100%. That's the sign I choose. I think that naturally, personality-wise, I'm an airbender. So I'm very sweet and I'm very just good and happy. But I want to be a waterbender. Okay, moving on. My mom's in the room, by the way. She's currently in the room here watching me.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
She absolutely is.
We have a little neon light, an LED neon light. What kind of neon light is it, though? That's the question. Not a gay rainbow flag. Not a little, I'm dead. He got me a little rainbow. I'm assuming this has to, yeah, look, the rainbow. I love when my straight brothers throw that I'm a queer in my face. They can't help it. They really can't help it. It's honestly the best thing in the entire world. Thank you, Nick. He is an ally. He's the A in the LGBTQA community. He's an A, and I love him. This is haunting me. You had it, Mom, there's way too many stars in here, seriously. Next, we have this little water bottle. It is a little, oh my God, it's literally a water bottle. I'm dead. Okay, this is so cute. Are you, okay, Nick knows that I'm a wateraholic, if you will. I drink water obviously I drink it every single day, but I drink it like constantly all day, every night. And so I have these by my bed constantly. And he got me a Fighting Evil by Moonlight, Winning Love by Daylight, Sailor Moon water bottle. I'm not doing this. This is by Amber Weska, Bumble Bunny Media. When I die, the dog gets everything. When I die, the dog does get everything, actually. I have another keychain. When I die, the dog gets everything. Zaya, see, the thing is, that's the truth. I'm dead. Thank you. How cute. He must have gotten this from Etsy. This is adorable. The most accurate thing I have here is probably that. So, Zaya will get everything. She will inherit 51% of this company, and my family gets 49. That is so adorable. I'm dying. We're gonna take a quick break. We're gonna go to Manny out in the field, and he's gonna show us exactly what he's doing with Function of Beauty, Function of Manny, and the skincare. I'll see you soon. What's up? A message from our sponsor. Just kidding. Hi guys, so I am, Manny out in the field. Thank you so much, Manny, out in the studio for looking divine. You and that orange lip. Oh, come on, pumpkin spice. You guys, today, we're gonna be using our Function of Beauty, our trio, our little goodies. This pimple right here, oh, don't look. It will haunt you. But you guys, okay, so like I was saying, the cool thing about Function of Beauty, it's a customizable skincare routine. You get a cleanser, serum, and a moisturizer. You guys get to pick it and you get to customize it customizably. Which I think is really, really cool. You gotta fill out a little survey, what you want for your skin, what kind of benefits you want, what kind of things you want. For me, I end up doing the cleanser, the micellar gel. You can choose between a gel or a jelly. I just love that. I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse our skin. I already took off my makeup. Now we're just cleansing. Oh, I love the foam. I love when it foams. So guys, like I said, there's like a little online survey you guys fill out to see exactly what you want in your skincare. And they do a customizable skincare and you pick the name on the bottle. Oh, I love that. And of course, Function Beauty doesn't use any parabens, no sulfates. It's vegan, cruelty-free. You guys can pick if you want it to be fragrance-free, using my serum as well. Ooh. Feels so nice, like water. It feels like such a really beautiful watery consistency. You guys, by the way, I've been using these already like for a while. That's why I'm doing this sponsorship, because I thought it was so cool. And I have been using these goodies for a bit. This is literally like the most customizable skincare I've ever seen. Like, I was blown away with how cool the idea of this was. We're gonna use our Function of MannyMua. For the moisturizer, you guys can pick between like a rich cream, a lotion, a watery gel-like consistency. There's different kind of consistencies that you guys can choose. I thought it was so freaking cool. I chose, of course, a rich cream for nighttime. I'm gonna leave a little link down below. It's an exclusive link to check out these goodies early. So you guys can get a 10% off if you guys want to. Click that link, check it out, see what you guys think. Take the little survey, take the little quiz. Rich, moisturized, and cleansed. And serumed. Look at this. Ignore the pimple on my forehead. Ignore the unicorn horn. Damn. And that's it, looking stunning. Oh, and clean. Now back to Manny at the studio. Finish up that box, sweetie. Finish up that box. Thank you so much, Manny, out at the field. You are looking divine, truly. Never seen such a more gorgeous man in my whole life, other than Chris Appleton, but that's a different story. So, let's keep it moving. Next, I'm gonna do some numbers on them. I haven't been going by the numbers at all, in order at all. Okay, we have a box. Okay, we opened it and we have trash. No, this can't just only be this. No. There's something in here, I swear. The amount of newspaper clippings in there. Okay, see, this makes sense. Oh, a candle! Wild raspberry, citrus, blackberry, starlight candle. Princess Mononoke. I love. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. I've been on such a candle kick recently. Like, really, it's like fall time. Really gets me into the candles. Oh, and Calcifer's heart. Hearth! You guys. Okay, you know what? That smells horrible, and I wasn't expecting that. That will stay sealed for all time. So Howl's Moving Castle is like my favorite movie of like all time. Like literally of all time. I literally have a Heart's a Heavy Burden tattooed on my body, for goodness sake. So we have a little I love Calcifer. May all your bacon burn. It smells like sandalwood and smoke and bacon. It smells like a dog treat. It smells like a fucking dog treat. I'm not kidding. I need the raspberry bag. This one smells amazing. The raspberry, citrus, blackberry. Wow, the dog treat one really got me good. But it's so cute. I'm obviously just gonna keep it for the aesthetic of it because it's adorable. Woo! I did not expect that scent. I really didn't. Nick really got me good with that one. My mom knows what else in here, by the way. I know my brother didn't get me a bag of M&Ms with his face on it, not mine. His face on it. I am not doing this. The fact that it's his face, this self-promotion we're doing, this is what we're not gonna do on my fucking channel, Nicholas. But fuck, they're good. I'm weak. And of course he picks like a thirst trap photo of him. Who do you think you are? I'm dying. That's so fucking funny. This is probably definitely the most wild mystery box I've gotten ever. This is crazy. I'm cracking up. This one and mine with Laura Lee have just been iconic, really. What is this? I'm so scared. I'm scared something's gonna jump out. It was just stones. See, I'm like not well. Like I was nervous. I thought something was gonna jump out, but the crystals scared me because they jumped out. He got me a little box, a little moon box with crystals. He swears I'm a witch, huh? He does, just like I do. Oh my god, how cute are these little stones? These little rocks, these crystals. Oh, jade? Jade? I have no idea. Amethyst, I think. Honestly, I don't really know much about crystals. I don't really have a lot of crystals, and I don't really...
You're supposed to put them out and then, well, and then...
Right, and they absorb the energy, right? And you can like... A moon box. Oh, wait, so they stay... No, I know it says the moon. But what does that mean? I think you put the crystals out in the moonlight. They absorb the moonlight. You put them in here and you seal the moonlight away. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly sure. I might actually have to ask Nick on this one because I don't know. But this box is so freaking cute. And obviously, you keep your crystals inside. Like, duh. Oh. Or I can put this by my bed. Pull out a crystal when I need it for something. I'm sure all these crystals mean different things. So if I'm like having a bad day. By my bed. Great day. Great day. So I'm assuming that's what it is. Okay. No, he didn't. He got me Kylie's Skin. A sugar lip scrub and makeup removing wipes. And I think he got this for me because I'm not on her PR list. And it really hurts that Nick would remind me that I'm not on her PR list. I'm cracking up. He said, I will get you something makeup-y. And it is a makeup wipe and a lip scrub. Wow, Nick, look at him coming in clutch with Kylie's Skin. He said, I don't know nothing about it. No makeup, but Kylie has a brand. Oh, that smells amazing. The lip scrub smells amazing. Oh, that's really, really good. Wow. It's like no, I was gonna say it's like pumpkin-y, but it's very fall. I love that. It smells amazing. Thank you, Nick, for reminding me that I'm not on the PR lists. There's like 11 things in here. So there's like a lot of things. My nerves. Nick got me a scale. A weigher? Nick got me a fucking scale? I'm crying. I'm dead. This is a fit track. So maybe this is like a really high-end scale.
It's the one that tracks your everything in your body, your water, your skeleton muscle.
That's all lies. It's lies. Liza Minnelli. Body composition. Are you crazy? My mom just said you're gonna have to get on it on camera. Is she well? Composition smart scale. Okay, cool. This is actually kind of dope. Like, it's a smart scale. I have like a regular scale, but we have now a smart scale. It's gonna tell me my skeletal body mass index. I wasn't expecting to pull out a scale, that's for sure. What the fuck he's trying to say? I know I didn't just read that. I know I must have read it wrong. I know I'm not reading that right. I'm useless and gay. I've actually never read more accurate shirt for myself. Nicholas, not useless and gay. Woo, both true. The sad part is that both of them are actually very quite accurate. Useless and gay. Well, shit.
I just came down here to let you know that I know you're backstabbing me.
What do we got, Nick? The useless and gay shirt really got me good. Okay, next we have a little hoodie. My heart. There goes my heart. There goes my heart. Hold on. You guys. As I was just talking about how Howl's Moving Castle is my favorite movie, Nick goes out and gets me Sophie and Howl. A hoodie of Sophie and Howl.
Now, straighten your legs and start walking.
How cute! And we have Turnip Head. Oh my gosh. And little Calcifer when he's a star. This is so freaking cute. This is so cute. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. I'm literally gonna wear that today. And last but not least, a mini bag sealer.
For your hot Cheetos.
It took me a second. I was like, wait, what does that mean? A bag sealer. I literally was thinking like those bags that you like suck, like the vacuum sealing bags. I was like, wait, I'm confused. So wait, so you hold it and it heats up and it seals the bag for you. Why is that so practical? Why don't I even own this already? Wow, I love that. This is gonna be the gift that keeps on giving in our household because Nick didn't actually just get this for me. He got that for himself and he got it for Aaron as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this was a Nick gift for Nick. No, it's actually really fucking genius. I love it. This is so smart. And that was the last item. You guys, literally, I feel like we just went through a whirlwind together. We just went through a wild ride and I am thrilled. Literally thrilled and so happy about the things Nick got me. I'm literally dead. Like, it's just so hilarious. And the fact that's all wrapped in Lunar Beauty tissue, it's so cute. Oh my God, Nick honestly did such an amazing, amazing job. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed with him. Thoroughly impressed. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? Are you guys impressed? Because I feel like you guys are gonna be impressed too. This, I feel like it's definitely $500 worth of stuff. I think the scale alone is like expensive. For this kind of nice scale, I'm like, yeah. I love it. Nick, I love you. Thank you so much for doing this for me. This was so much fun. I'm literally cracking up at so many of these things. I will not get over the smell of this candle. That one really haunts me. Okay, loved it. Thank you so much for doing this with me. And a shout out to Function of Beauty for partnering with me in a small portion of today's video. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I love this new skincare that you guys are creating, this customizable skincare. It's so freaking cool and innovative and different that I'm like literally so excited for you guys. Like that's so awesome. So if you guys actually click the link in my bio, you guys will get an early access link and 10% off the skincare bundle if you guys want to try it out. And you guys get a free little headband. How cute is that? A free little headband if you guys buy the bundle. I'll leave a link down below. Of course, you guys can check it out. I am so excited for them. I think it's actually gonna be really cool and very unique and very different to come out with something like this. I'm like, come on, Function of Beauty. They already do this for shampoo and conditioner. So the fact that they're doing it for skincare and coming out with amazing skincare is so freaking cool to me. Oh, I love that. So yeah. And that's it, you guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I honestly had so much fun filming this. I'm literally like blown away with the products here. Like I literally have like no words. Like I literally have no words to even describe what's happening. This is like the funniest freaking video. I'm shook. And I was already glam because I had like a Zoom call earlier, so I thought it'd be kind of perfect just to glam for this. This is fantastic. And there was no makeup in here. Just some skincare by Kylie's Skin. I feel like these makeup wipes are gonna really take off layers of my skin. I feel that. Anyway, have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you. Mwah. If he doesn't answer, he doesn't love you. Nick, it's me.
What's up?
I just opened the box.
Oh, you did?
Yes, and I'm fucking crying. Your box is iconic. It's so good. When I pulled out the scale, my face, and also the Kylie Skin, you know I'm not on that PR list anymore or ever.
Yes.
Nick is so mean to my assistant because he knows he's gonna be cleaning this, not me. What's outside? The mailman. I can't with him. You need to smell it. Well, have you smelled this? I just want you to sniff it. Did he say he liked it?
No.
Smell it. Did that not just haunt you?
Oh my god. The fact that you took a big whiff.
I didn't expect it.
A big whiff.
Why don't we have this already? That's genius.